Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about a book on Gurudutt. Gurudutt, a poet of Indian cinema by Nasreen Munni Kabir. Nasreen Munni Kabir is a BBC television producer. She has written various books on Indian cinema. This particularly book talks about Gurudutt and his poetic cinema. Nasreen Munni Kabir has interviewed various people who have worked with Gurudutt, lived with Gurudutt, and witnessed how Gurudutt has made his films. A very senior Indian film scriptwriter, Abrar Alvi, V.K. Murthy, Wahida Rahman, Kaifi Azmi, Majruh Sultanpuri, Devanand, Shyam Benegal, and the man who gave Gurudutt a break into Bollywood, Mohan Sehgal. This book reveals various incidences which talks about Gurudutt and his life. When Abrar Alvi talks about Gurudutt, Abrar Alvi categorically point out how he used to treat the script, how Gurudutt used to handle the characters, how Gurudutt's characters used to travel from his one film to another, how Gurudutt used the set, characters, scenes. I am sharing one input from this book for all film students and film lovers. How Gurudutt has used taxi as a space. In cinema, we have a term mise-en-scène. What do you mean by mise-en-scène? Mise-en-scène is a built-up of a character by dialogue, by set, music, color, camera, anything that you can imagine. And how Gurudutt used this taxi as a mise-en-scène. It is Gurudutt who used this kind of scene in a taxi. Taxi is such a cozy space wherein you are in society, you are in social space. Okay, but you have marginal privacy. Gurudutt has used this particular space categorically into various films. The driver of the taxi belongs to a lower economical strata and different social group. When the conversation happens between two people, when they exchange the ideas, it plays very important role in filmic narrative as well as in the film and even into their life. So how this important scene he captured in taxi in such a cozy space. This is mise-en-scène by Gurudutt. It is one of the examples. To explain the genius of Gurudutt, I would like to quote another example from this book. There is a song in Gurudutt film, Sun 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 Zalima. It's a unique song. If you check this song out, you will realize that it is only actor, actress and empty cab. That is the property in complete song. There is no great set. There is no background dancers. There is no great drapery and nothing. It's a black and white song. But if you could watch this particular song, Sun 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 Zalima, you will realize how Gurudutt used to capture the song picturization. How much he was specific, how much he was perfectionist in capturing each shot for each detail. We can certainly call Gurudutt a minimalist director in Bollywood. V.K. Murthy, a great cinematographer, reveals how he was picked up by Gurudutt and how he suggested Gurudutt for shot taking and how Gurudutt offered him a freedom to deliver his work. V.K. Murthy once made an experiment of using strobe of light falling in studio. Yes, the particular shot where Wahida Rahman is talking to Gurudutt, it has later on became a metaphor for Gurudutt. The famous shot by V.K. Murthy. Yes, my dear friends, the way V.K. Murthy has used large mirrors on the roof of a studio and created this strobe of light really thrilled all film lovers, film scholars. Even today, the type of shot Gurudutt used has become a metaphor. It is great to read when Johnny Walker talks about Gurudutt, how he made Gurudutt. Mahmood, who was accompanied by his father, accidentally met Gurudutt and later in life got a chance to work with Gurudutt. he talks about how was the experience of working with Gurudutt. It is interesting to know how Gurudutt found Wahida Rehman, how he took Wahida Rehman's audition direct from Wahida Rehman's mouth. Very few people know that Gurudutt had started his career as a dance director. He was assisting to a director. Director told him to assist for some dance steps. Those were the early days of Indian cinema when there was no choreographer. It is the work of a director who has to guide the actors what is the song, how to dance, how to make some danceical or musical moves. For all cinema lovers, for all actors, I would like to share one unique anecdote by Gurudutt which he has shared in this particular book. Gurudutt always used to say that acting is done by face. The rest of the body is just an accessory. We need to understand that watching one film by Gurudutt will not be enough to understand Gurudutt. When we watch Gurudutt's film, we remember, we recall, we discuss, we share and we talk about the characters in Gurudutt's film. And that is the beauty of Gurudutt cinema. Gurudutt has always gave importance in building up, exploring, developing a character than a story. So hello all my dear viewers. Thanks for watching this video. You must have realized how much this book is important on Indian cinema, on Gurudutt. I am interested in knowing which films do you watch? What books do you read? Do put it in comment box. I am eager to read your comments. Thanks for watching. Happy reading.